Good habits for kids. Waking up early in the morning, brushing your teeth twice a day, bath daily, have breakfast on time, groom your hair daily, wear clean uniform, wear shoes, reach school on time, carefully listen your teacher, sharing is caring. Finish your lunch box, keep the shoes and bag on their place, eat your lunch on time, watch TV for some time, play with friends, don't fight with anyone, complete your homework on time, help and respect elders, eat your dinner on time, drink daily a glass of milk, pray regularly on time, sleep early in the morning. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.